Hello friends, this is Sanjay from Sanjay Driving School. Road scanning is very important for the driving test as well as when you do your normal driving. In the road scanning, you need to look the road marking. So you need to look bottom of the road. So you can see the road marking, slip lanes, stop lines, any giveaway lines coming. So that's the way you can find out which lane going to which side, which lane is turning left, which lane is turning right. So before the traffic signal, when you start to observe your base of the road, so you can see the road marking and you can find out which lane you need to go. Example, your testing officer said next traffic light, turn right from the right lane, turn right from the left lane. So until you don't look the road marking, you don't know which lane is going to right, which is the right lane. Same, we looking straight. Also the scanning of the road signs. So when you're not looking up and down, so when you look bottom, you can see the road signs. When you're looking straight, you're able to see the speed signs, any roundabout is coming, any speed breaker is coming, any road is closed, or any road work ahead. So it is very important to scan the road to pass your driving test. Because I notice some of learner, when they're just driving, they just keep looking. They're not looking here, there. So same, when we're looking the mirrors, also you need to scan the road. So when you scan the road, you can plan ahead what is next. So it's very important to scan the road. If you're scanning the road, you already had an idea what you're going to do the next. Because in the driving test, your testing officer will give you instruction little early. Example, next roundabout turn left. Next roundabout take first exit. Next roundabout take second exit, third exit. Next traffic light turning left, turning right. So if you scan the road, you already know which lane you need to go, where to go. Same, speed zones. Because every road when you turn to different road can be different speed. So if you're not looking the speed sign, you might gonna go over speed or low speed. Same, road work. Sometimes we do the lesson on the route. Example, today I had a lesson on the route and tomorrow could be there is a road work there. So very important to scan the road. If you scan the road, it's pretty much chance you will pass your test. I hope it helped you how to scan the road and why important. Thank you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the more video. Thank you. Bye for now.